Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. From school exams to international tests like SAT, ACT, Math Solver 1117 covers everything in one place. This Olympiad math problem looks tricky, and many students ask how to solve this. Challenge yourself with this Olympiad problem. Pause the video, try it yourself, then watch my solution. Don't skip because the final trick is very important. Today's Olympiad math problem need patience and smart thinking. No long calculations, only clean logical. Watch till the end to master this trick. So we will start solving this Olympiad math problem, that is 4 raised to power z plus 25 power z equal 10 raised to power z plus 1. So how we will solve this? We will solve this by method. First of all, we will write this as 4 raised to power z plus 25 raised to power z equals 10 raised to power z into 10. Now 10 raised to power z is divided by both sides. So 4 raised to power z divided by 10 raised to power z. Similarly, 25 by 10 both have power z equals 10. Now how we will solve this further? We will use a smart trick here. That is, we can write this as 2 by 5 because both are in the table of 2 power z. And this will be 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10 and power is z equals 10. Now we will write this as 2 by 5 power is z plus 2 by 5 and its power is minus z equals 10. Make a supposition here. Let's suppose you will consider 2 power 5 power z equals capital Z. So our problem will become z plus z power minus 1 and this will be equals 10. So we can write z plus 1 by z equals 10. Now take the LCM, that is z. So z into z is z square plus z equals 10. So this will become z square plus 10 of z equals plus z equals 10. Because this is 1, when we take the LCM, this will become, we will write this as z square plus 1 equals 10z. Now we will write this as z square minus 10 of z plus 1 equals 0. Now we have to make the factors of this. For this purpose, we will apply the quadratic formula. According to that, this will be plus b 100 minus 4 of AC, that is 4, divided by 2 of A. So we get 10 plus minus root 96 divided by 2, and this is the value of z. So we got the value of z, that is 2. And now 96, to have to solve 96. So this can be write as, we will solve this in the table of 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 6s are 36. Then 4 4s are 16 and 4 1s are 4. So we will write this further here, that z equals 10 plus minus 4 root 6 divided by 2. That means we have 5 plus minus 2 root 6. So this is the answer that we get, 5 plus minus root 6. Condition is that we got its value as plus and minus. Then for the other one, after finding the value of z, we have to find the value of small z because the variable is small. So we will suppose this 2 by 5 and its power is small z equals 5 plus minus root 6. Now you have to find the small z value. So solve this further. We will take the LCM of this by taking the log on both sides. So z ln 2 by 5 equals ln 5 plus minus root 2 and 6. Now you have to find just the value of x. For this purpose, we will solve this as we will consider its root. So we get this will be equals z equals ln 5 plus minus 2 root 6 and divided by ln 2 by 5, because this is divided it will be multiplied and only positive value we will consider for this one. So z equals ln 5 plus 2 root 6 and divided by ln 2 minus ln 5. So this is the final answer. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many Olympiad math problem. One trick, many questions solved. Subscribe to Math Solver 1117 for more, because Olympiad success needs smart practice. Keep improving your skills. Watch you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep thinking smart. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.